Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So this is the shopping from Itsy Bitsy store because there is a March Madness sale is going on and I have purchased lots of stuff in discounted price. So one by one I will show you what is in the box. First thing is these beautiful colorful cardstocks and papers starting from rupees 3 to rupees 15, and this is the beautiful red satin paper. This is kind of cloth paper. Then next one is thick white cardstock, very nice quality. Then these are the craft paper which is having 90 GSM thickness. Then again white cardstock, pink and black cardstocks, blue cardstock, purple one. Then I took two craft color cardstocks or thick sheets. Then this is beautiful lavender sheet, red thin paper to create origami projects or punch craft. Then black color thick cardstocks, yellow paper, and this is a beautiful dotted vellum paper. I will just show you on the darker background. Let me take this black sheet, and can you see this, how beautiful and gorgeous this is looking? And this is just for rupees 7 for one sheet. Then this is the handmade teal color paper. This is off-white cardstock. Then these are some papers for punch craft in lavender and light green color, cost rupees 4. Then this is again red cardstock, light green cardstock, and this is the 12 by 12 dark green color cardstock. And this is black mount board or cardboard which is quite thick, having 2 mm thickness to create base for your projects. So this is all about my shopping of cardstocks and papers. The next thing I purchased is my favorite thing, that is quilling strips. So these are some 10 mm quilling strips which I purchased, and this cost only 10 rupees for each pack in the sale. Can you believe this? And in one pack you will get 50 shades. I just love this lipstick pink so much, so I bought 4 packs of this color. Then I bought in some blues, greens, yellows, orange, all major colors. Using these 10 mm strips you can create many 3D projects of quilling very easily, and these are very vibrant. This is the lighter shade of red, darker shade yellow, and some blues. So that is all about my 10 mm quilling strips shopping. I just love each and every color so much. Then the next thing is the 5 mm strip which cost 8 to 9 rupees in the sale. So I bought in blue color, yellow color, magenta and purple. Along with that I bought in 3 mm strips also which cost from 7 to 8 rupees. Again magenta color, red color, lipstick pink, lavender, violet, yellow, blue. And as all of you know that I just love the quilling so much, so it always agreed inside me to buy quilling strips, and if I am getting it in discounted price, then what more I need. Then next thing is this beautiful feathers which starts from 16 rupees to 22 rupees, from smaller size to larger size. So I bought 2 in smaller size, pink, lavender in medium size, and then larger size I got dark green, black, parrot green, red, pink and dark purple. All shades are very gorgeous. You can create dream catchers, You can create wall hangings, you can decorate your scrapbooks, cards and whatnot. There are so many ideas you can work with these beautiful feathers. You can create party props. Then next thing is this satin ribbon which costs 40 rupees for each roll, and I bought in so many colors: green, black, red, orange. Some has beautiful organza border, parrot green, pink and brown. So I'm just showing you all together how gorgeous they are looking. I just love to make bookmarks, so I usually need different shades of ribbons to decorate my bookmarks, and in one roll you will get 18-meter length of the ribbon. That is so huge. You can create so many projects using this one single pack. Isn't it very affordable? Now the next product is some miscellaneous mixed things. This is the clip which costs rupees 44. These are binder clips in multicolor. Again, one more pack of binder clips in black shade which also costs 44 rupees. Then I bought these ice cream spoons which cost 14 rupees per pack. Then these are Thermocol shoes which costs 20 rupees for the pair. In the Christmas you can decorate this, you can color this and create beautiful Santa Claus shoes for the decoration. You can use this as a flower vase. So there are so many techniques to decorate your room using these super cute Thermocol shoes. So I just love this so much. Then next thing is this alcohol blending solution which costs 89 rupees. I took for my alcohol projects to mix my alcohol inks. Then next thing is this glitter fabric which costs 49 rupees per bottle. I got in teal and candy color. These are very glittery. You can use this on stencils, on paper, on wood, on plastic, on anything along with the fabric. Then the next thing is this buttermilk chalk paint which costs 75 rupees. Actual cost is 150, but in sale I got in 50% discount. Then these are some floral tapes which cost 20 rupees per pack. I bought in brown and black color. Then next thing is these sparkle texture dots which cost 12 rupees in lavender shade to create shaker cards, to create beautiful resin projects. Then after that I bought some ring bases which is very newly launched product by Little Birdie. So I bought these two packets which cost 20 rupees per each pack, and in one pack you will get 3 bases in silver color. These are very strong and sturdy. So you can create your quilling rings or handmade rings very easily. And one more pack which also having the same cost 20 rupees, and in this pack you will get 2 ring bases in oval shape. So this is all about my ring bases. The next thing is these Pokey Tool which cost 161 rupee. This tool I bought for piercing the holes or to clean my die cutouts. This one pen have 2 needles on both the sides, and this is the pack of 2 pens. The next thing is this beautiful wooden quilling tool which cost 170 rupees, and this is very strong and sturdy, having slotted tool on top. So from long time I wanted to buy this from the store. And one more quilling tool which cost 28 rupees, and this is super teeny mini to create your work more faster, because I usually create all the shapes manually. So this is all about tools. The next thing is these Thermocol balls which cost only rupees 8. Can you believe this? This huge pack cost only rupees 8. Along with that, I bought this smaller pack which is having small size of balls. This is also having 8 rupee cost, and miniature sizes of thermocol balls. So I will show you how I am going to use these balls for my projects very soon. These are very light in weight and you can create different fillers using these balls very easily. You can also use this as a filler for your flower vases. And in the store you will get in all different sizes of these thermocol balls. I bought in 3 shapes. Then this is the super cute transfer by little birdie, cost 55 rupees, called a cat's life, which is having super cute designs of cats. You can use this for envelopes, cards, scrapbooks, or any mixed media projects, to decorate cups, jars, mugs, and whatnot. So this is all about my craft haul from Itsy Bitsy. And don't miss the sale because only 2 days are left for the sale, and grab all the things which is required for your crafty needs in the discounted price. And also you can use code Shivani5611 to get extra 5% discount on your purchase. And also Itsy Bitsy offers free shipping above 500 rupees shopping. So just enjoy the sale and grab the things before it goes out of stock. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.